as I step up. The game is effed up, the whole plan is all messed up. And when I say they plan, I talk about the government and all these stupid kids that are loving it. I'm touching it quick like MC Hammer, but it can't be touched. Fuck that, dog. I'm like an old glass hutch. Lost in this world, going round and round. Lost in the world when it can't be found. Pound for pound, I am the best around. Because I bring it rugged raw, how you love it and you want it. But if you don't like my rap, you can shove it. I'll think nothing of it, or maybe I will. Because thinking is how I kill. I kill it with kindness, I maintain ill. You use Advil for your migraine, I use something else for my pain. I strain to use your name in vain, like Jesus, he needs us. But you can't see the point when it bleeds through, bleed done. Cause I can't be done, because I'm not steak. I don't got middle with the pink, you all's about to break. Like the brakes on my truck, give it up. Cause I'm about to put it down like a dump truck. Cause all this shit is getting old, I can't take it no more. I'm gonna clean off the mold, cause it ain't gonna stop. I'm about to get the mop, cause I'm the clean rapper. And I'm about to be the cream of the crop. Yeah, I'm cream corn. And you know that I might seem scorn, seem mean or more porn with triple X effects. Cause I'm coming up with the fucking dialect of a Spanish kid when I demand a shit I can't even know. Cause I already planned it quick before I even thought of it. What you wanna say, you wanna buy in public and think it was a mainstream opinion. I'm getting them down, I'm calling you my minion. Yo, I gotta change my style when I'm bringing freestyles off my head. Meanwhile, I'm acting senile. I see childs going nowhere, cause they looking at their phone and have no care about life and where they're going. It's like a river, they're not shivered, they're just flowing. Wherever the raft of life will take them, I'm not gonna be like that. I'm not fake, I'm not baking, I'm not shaking, baking chicken, finger licking good for someone to eat me. I better be good or wood, cause I'm metal, I'm harder than that. Dog, you can't cut me, I'm not a pebble, I'm bigger, I'm a rock non-stop. I need to stop with my fucking rumble and mumble and flow non-stop. Stop, drop, and roll. The fire's coming for your head, so you better let go. Cause the smoke's getting deeper in your fucking house. You gon' need a sweeper. Going vroom, doom. Bring it cause you can't see me afternoon. It's like mushrooms cause you see it. What you wanna say? I don't even care because I'm gonna play and stay away. Cause you a fag, I'll call you Steve Urkel. Now the smoke's getting deep, call it deep purple. Smoke on the water, toke and poke on your daughter. Not mine because my shit much hotter. I got the slaughter, yeah, call me Slaughterhouse. You don't know what it's about cause it's just bought an ounce. Not an ounce of that, but an ounce to pronounce the words that I speak. So you get every noun and pronoun and adverb and adjective. I'm mad at kids cause they can't take the rap no more. I'm too strategy. They had me to be something else, but you know that I had to be deeper. With the point, you can call me peeper. Cause I'm not for the people, I'm just an evil kind of deeder. Doing the deeds on the low, so you know about to break it down, bro. Whoa. I don't really give a fuck, don't know what the fuck is, so just give the fuck up and give in. Life that I'm living, I did win. Heh. Go, let go of the edge when you're on the top of the building and you lost your head. And the bricks aren't really adding up. Pink Floyd told you before and now you had enough. The brick in the wall is about to fall and I'm taking down all of y'all. Hit you in your jaw with my lyrical delivery. You can't get with me because this whole world is just typically the same. They don't strain to use their brain for anything and they can't contain how I must complain anymore. Many whores are coming, many more, cause you can't really get the floor. Cause it's too high, I've had it up to here, now you're on my eye. I got my eye on you and the eyes in the back of my head. Instead, I'm killing you, you all are dead. The dread is just adding up. Like I said before, I had enough, and I'm mad and tough. And you can't call my bluff, I'm not playing poker. You already been poked, fuck you, I am the smoker. I'll leave you in my dust or in my smoke trail. You can't take no more, cause my smoke will prevail. The flame is getting higher. Call me Jebediah, you fucking liar. I got my lighter. If I get lost in the wood, I'm up to no good. Smoking marijuana, saying it was very good. I'm sick of holding back. I'm scolding fags that wanna be back, holding a bag, thinking they so awesome. You're a fag from Dawson Creek. I'm from Sugar. Know that I'm about to soften the blow. No, I'm making it hard. You're a renard standing on the boulevard. You better get your card, cause the ID is getting shicey. You about to get a fucking microchip up in the IV. Oh my god, I'm shicey. I don't care if you don't like me, cause I am the best. No, I just might be. I'm not kidding. The shit that I'm spitting, I am the best. You are cute, you are a kitten. I'm a dog. You better run. The outcome is none. You wanna be a steak, for heaven's sake. You want some beef, you're none of it. I can't think of it. You're a fag in the dick up your ass if the dude shoves it. I'm continuous, like the fucking Obama plan to raise the stimulus of taxes. It's flipped off the axis, the script is flipped and I'm gypped and I'm back. I'm acrobatic, I'm flipped, I'm gypped. I'm like a fucking banana peel, but I slipped. I got up and started walking, talking about the shit when I'm going, cause it happened very often. And you knowing that I am a soldier. I gotta get over, fuck the bone. I'm not Red Rover, come over, cause my rap alignment is about to beat up what you say, cause I am Simon. Beat up your mind and beat up your face. Beat up the fucking eggs and steak, cause I'm making a fucking steak in a burrito. Gotta answer the phone cause you don't really see those rhymes all the time from my mind, bitch. I'm the best, but I'm blinded. My blindfold on and I gotta bifocal. I need to get a lighter so I can just smoke you. Fuck this phone, but it's my girlfriend, dog. Just leave me the fuck alone. Not her, but you.
Here we go again, my name is Justin, sitting with two friends, getting ends, smoking endo, cause you know we're gonna do some blow. I don't know and I don't care what you think, so use a hoe, use a bitch, gonna drop the elbow 3-4. I don't give a fuck cause you're on the floor, and now I'm laughing my ass off, and it's okay cause I got an aerosol. Shoot you through your pee hole, you won't see no motherfucking buddy around, cause that's the sound of the pound of my fist, you fucking bitch. Here we go again, shift, enter, click, don't give a fuck. You can change this shit, bitch. It's all over YouTube and you don't know me and I don't know you, but I don't give a fuck if you care, cause I'm well aware and must say that I'm gonna go to the top every single fucking day. Now I'm gonna pass it on a mystery you don't even wanna believe, you can't see, can't believe that it's a fantasy. So here we go again, losing my voice, and that's my choice because I don't breathe.
It's going down, no, I bring it up. I got the shit, yeah, 2 girls and 5 cups. You wanna be a slut, take it in your butt or your rear, whatever you call it. You're a fucking dickholeaholic. Wait, I'm calling you a man, no, you're a girl and you're a feather. I'm harder than an anvil, you better be better or worse. For heaven's sake, you made a mistake. I'll take you to a river, no a lake. I'll put cement on your legs and your feet. You can't compete. It's bricks laced with concrete. My shit's elite. I'll take a poop on your head instead. I got a fucking gun, but I don't need lead. You dread. I got a pistol number 2. I'm hunting you down cause I got a fucking foot that will be putting you across the field. Cause you know I'm not evil and feeble, but I'll kill you and you know when that's a pill. Wait, I'm spitting on my computer screen. I gotta wipe it clean. I'm a fucking internet fiend. But you smoke crack and you're black and you just got hijacked. I'm talking about Brandon, raps that I'm planning. Wait, I shouldn't talk shit about people when I'm single-handedly handed the mic with my skill set. I feel like I went to war. I am a real vet. Shit you didn't hear yet. Open up your ear hole. Ear drumming when I'm coming, cause I hear those rhymes in my mind every time when I drop it. Don't make a profit, but I won't stop it. Top it like a cherry out. Ice cream for a server at a place that we work at. Fuck the perverts and fuck the facts. Fuck the pedophile. Fuck all the fuckers that diss my freestyle and fuck my spit. Fuck the shit. I gotta go get something to wipe it, type it, or go in the flow. It's just my fucking shit coming out my poop hole, cause that's where I talk my shit. If you wanna see something else, see it leaking, because I'm speaking Puerto Rican and African. I don't care cause I'm just rapping, friend. I called you my friend, but you don't take my hand. You wanna do dap? I'm like, fuck that. I'm a white man, but I'm not racist. You need to get a facelift. Wait, you think Michael Jackson's face? I think he had taste, kid. Wait, check out his nose. Fuck it, I'm feeling froze.